DC Types here. So here is my latest typewriter challenge. Extremely yellow and stained keys and platen knobs. So the machine is beautiful. It's in really good shape. But these keys are not. So what I found online, 50 peroxide developer for hair. So I go to Sally's Beauty and they wouldn't let me buy it. They were like, you have to have a cosmetology license to do that. I'm wearing a hat and I'm pretty frumpy and I'm a dude. So I'm like, look, I'm not going to use it on human hair. It's going to be for my typewriter keys that are yellow. And she was like, what? So I had to Google a series of YouTube videos in order for her to believe me and for her to sell me this stuff. If this gets on your skin, apparently it's heinous. This is the highest concentration peroxide that you can get, and it's in a gel form. Prepped the typewriter for what appears to be surgery, and I've purchased this clear container so that I can place this in the clear container so that it will be exposed to UV. Because ironically, it's UV that gets it like this, but it's also UV that will activate this peroxide stuff. Wish me luck, because I have no idea how this is going to go. You absolutely positively should not get this in your eyes or on your face, and it's pretty noxious stuff. So I'm going to wear a mask. I'm wearing gloves. I've put the typewriter on the lid of the container so that I can put the container over the top of this. I took this brush that I got from Ace Hardware and applied it to the keys, and I have no idea how thick it should be on, and also to the platens. Alright, I put some cling wrap over the top of this to make sure that it doesn't dry out, and then I'm gonna put it outside. Like and follow for part 2 and see how the keys turn out.